Microsoft is another one. I want to show you this. This is Microsoft since 2022, fourth largest trade in its history at the very top, second largest trade in its history at the very bottom, fifth and first largest trade right around in here. And we started seeing the market go sideways. Then your animal spirits took off. Now your sixth largest trade happened right here. So, and price is well below it. So this looks like distribution. If price breaks below this number one trade right here around 340, 343, that's a big problem. Big problem. That would be huge distribution. A lot of the times these institutions will defend their move. So if price goes back up to here, and this is a sell, you'll see it hit right around where they ended up selling it, and it will go back down. So if they don't defend this level, that means that these were big sales, big distribution, and that's a lot of supply hitting the markets.